Right, this is just a really quick guide just on how to pair your Microbit to the Swift Playgrounds app. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is grab your Microbit. Okay, so I've just attached the power adapter and just used the connection just on the top there, and you can see there it's powered on and it's just running some sort of default program that's on the actual Microbit just to show you what it can do. You then want to just go to your iPad and make sure you open up the Swift Playgrounds app, and hopefully you've already downloaded the Microbit BBC Microbit guide there and the introduction, which will guide you through the task. So if we click on that, it opens up, asks me if I want to use Bluetooth, so click OK. And now once we get to this screen here, before we do any of the tasks, we just got to make sure we pair the Microbit. Okay, so the first thing to do is if we click on that Pair Microbit, it then just gives you that step one there. So it says hold down the A and B buttons. Now the A and B buttons are on the front of the Microbit. So you've got button A on this left hand side, button B on the right hand side, and it says also click the reset button, which is on the back. So if we turn it around just by where you put the power cable, you have got the reset button there as well. So we've got to hold all three of those together until the pairing mode comes up. So if I hold those together now, hopefully you can see there now on the screen it's saying pairing mode. Okay, so it is going into the pairing mode, and it should come up with a little code on the screen in a second. There we go. So it comes up with all the dots on the screen there. Now that's your special code that you've got to put in. So once you've done that, you click next on the iPad in the bottom right hand corner. And so you've got to replicate this code now on the iPad, and that means that it will recognize the Microbit and try and connect to it. So if I just put those dots in, so it's simple as just touching on the screen and copying that code. So that's identical now to the Microbit. So if I click pair, it asks me now for a code to put in. Now for the code, you just press the A button where the arrow is pointing towards there, and the code will flash up on the screen, and it will keep flashing on the screen until you've clicked the pair button again on the Bluetooth bit there. So it's good to have a pen and paper at hand as well, just to write down this code just in case you can't do it quick enough. But you have got to be quite quick, otherwise it will go out the pair mode. So if I just click on that arrow, so it's come up with a 2, a 5, 9, 3, 6. I'm not sure what that last one was, so I'll just try it again. Let's just see whether I can get it again. So that's something you do have to be quite quick. So if you go into the pairing mode again, by holding all three buttons, that's if you talk too long between putting the code in and doing the pairing mode, it's unfortunately it does go out the pairing mode, so you have to be quite quick. So I'll just go back into it. So I've got my pattern the exact same again. So if I click pair again, like I say, you could write down the code quickly as well, just to make sure. So click on that button there, the A button. So we've got 3, 6, 5, 3, 6, 5, 8, 4, 3. So we click pair, and you see that little tick comes on the screen there. Okay, so that tells you that it's now paired and it's connected. So if I just click off that and click cancel on there, and we just double check now. We just check our BBC Notes, so you see there now. It's now paired there now with that Microbit. Okay, so they are now paired. And so on this task here, I've just got my name in here. So if we just double check that it's actually paired, so we click run my code. So let's just check that it's got it connected. And we hit run my code. There we go, now it's coming on the screen there. So again, you may have to just click the reset button just on the back again, just to get it out of its mode. Then just quickly just make sure it's reconnected at the top there. So if it ever for some reason doesn't run the code, it's always worth just trying the reset button on the back, which will disconnect it. Click the connect again, and it connects to the Microbit. And then if you click the run my code, it should start running the code on the screen there. So there we go, like that.